Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making homemade cheese. Milk 3 liters, full fat milk. Please wash till the end. Lukewarm milk. Vinegar half cup. Flame off. Cover and rest for 20 minutes. Curd formed. Drain off water. Squeeze gently. Same water. Add salt. Mix well. Don't boil water. Dip paneer into the water. Dip in the hot water around 5 to 6 times. What I did wrong, I don't get the creamy texture. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.